Alright, we're up here on Humble Pie, getting ready to do a foam recoat on a metal restoration here. Wanted to just kind of show you and document what the roof looked like. Customers had a lot of leak issues coming from typical places, along with wall flashing, horizontal seams here. A lot of areas water can run on a metal roof. We're going to come in, spray an inch of polyurethane foam. We're going to top it with silicone when we get said and done. Come back and show you how we close up all these gaps, all these cracks. There'll be no more seams on this metal roof. Show how we put cricket back here, so water doesn't sit here and continually cool up and put pressure in those areas. First thing we're going to do is pressure wash the roof. Once we get done with that, we'll let it dry up, and then we're going to come in and run the new silicone once it all gets said and done. This is Humble Pie in Pratt, Kansas. What that tells you is water's been leaking in behind there for years. You can see all the dirt and debris. For the business. Alright, we're up here on the metal roof of Humble Pie. First step, we're going to power wash the entire roof set. Get rid of all the dirt. We want a good adhesion to the new foam roof. Quick pass also to clean up all the AC units. Just do some maintenance issues all the way around. This is a video about spray polyurethane foam and highly reflective roof coatings on a metal roof. You can see the metal roof panels down here. We had 1 inch of spray polyurethane foam that gives about an R7 insulation and a highly reflective roof coating. The system's going to last about 20 years, at which point it will have to be recoated. The foam will still be good. Wanted to show what we can do with it as far as building crickets up so we don't have standing water behind the system, to completely encapsulating all the gaps and cracks that come along with the metal roof. This job took about 1 day. It'll increase the energy efficiency of the building about 20% to 25%. So this is a spray polyurethane foam with a highly reflective